Hello, this is Alex Kazmark for the FXEdge.com, and this is your free daily Forex video for September 7th, 2009. One reminder before I begin, the purpose of this free daily video is education and not an alert service. I'm not going to make any trade recommendations, but what I am going to do is point out levels of support and resistance for the next 12 to 24 hours. Please keep in mind that trading with leverage is very risky business, so please don't trade any real money until you have established a proven track record of success on a demo account. Since trading conditions are always changing, make sure to tune in to tomorrow's video to stay updated. Happy Monday, everybody. Hope everybody made it through the non-farm payroll release on Friday. We didn't have much of a surprise. Numbers came in as expected, very close to what we expected. One major drawback was the unemployment rate was 0.2% worse than expected at 9.7% versus 9.5%. Originally, the dollar got better, but couldn't sustain any gains, and the markets took the employment data as better than expected and carried the equity markets higher, in which case the market turned towards more risk appetite and sold the dollar for other currencies. Very tough to say what's going to happen with today being Labor Day in the U.S., equity markets being closed there. We're going to have to see whether or not Asia is going to have to follow through, followed by Europe, and we'll have to watch for their reaction on the NFP data. Europe should be doing most of the action today, not expecting much out of Asia. So with that being said, let's cover today's ranges. Currently, looking at the euro dollar, market is trading at 143 even. That is going to be our pivot point here. This was an area of once it was area of support, then it became an area of resistance. We closed at the 143 level on Friday. That's exactly where we're opening up now. So we're going to take a look at the range. The first level of resistance is being just above the 143 level at 143.20, followed by 143.50, 144, and 144.50. Euro can find support at 142.20, 141.80, 141.34, and 140.80. Below 140.80 we have 140.10. Tough to say what might happen out of the Eurozone today, whether or not they're going to bid or sell off the euro. So at this time we're just going to remain patient, wait for the holiday to expire, and look forward to trading on Tuesday. Looking at the pound dollar now on the daily, currently trading at 163.96. First level of resistance for the pound is going to be found at 164.25, followed by 165.40, 166, and 166.20. First level of support can be found at 163.80, followed by 163.34, 162.50, 162, and 161.60. We may see some consolidation for the pound overnight. Again, very difficult to say. We're really interested to see how the Eurozone reacts to the news, but once again, very difficult to say if we're going to continue higher towards the 165.50 level, or if we're going to trend a little bit lower and consolidate near the 163.50 area. Okay, now looking at dollar yen, trading at 93 even. First level of support for the dollar is going to be found at 92.80, followed by 91.83. Below that we have 90.90 and 89.80. Dollar is going to run into resistance at 93.30, followed by 93.80, 94.50, 95, and 96 even. Really looking forward to the equity markets guiding the dollar-yen pair. Now looking at dollar Swissy, currently trading at 106.03. We had a lot of action here. As you can see, dollar went up and then came back down throughout the day. First level of support for the dollar can be found at 105.80, followed by 105.50, 105.27. Below that we have 104.77. Dollar is going to run into resistance at 106.50, 106.80, 107, 107.41, and 108 even. Again, waiting for the Eurozone in order to see what to do on Tuesday. As of now, we're going to remain patient and wait for the U.S. markets to open. This has been Alex Kazmark for the FXEdge.com free daily Forex video for September 7th. Until tomorrow, everybody, good luck trading.